Hi dear students and viewers, hope you are well. In today's video, we will learn some important points about English language, why it is important and why it is called the global language. So, about more than 2,500 languages are spoken in the world today, but English is the main language and it has the more and the most importance in the today's world because today is the era of AI or artificial intelligence and it is a digital uh, era and every language in from the beginning every language has four main scales. For every language you should learn four main scales and you should focus on four main scales. So what are these scales which we need to learn? For example, number one, listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are the four main skills of any language. But in English, if we will think and we will learn these four skills, then we can boost our confidence in the modern world. For example, English has a very deep connection and it is the reality of the modern communication and modern skills in 2026. For example, if you want to learn freelancing, digital marketing, blogging, and many other skills, if you want to learn, then you should focus on first of all on English, and the most important on these four skills in English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, now we will discuss some important points on these four skills. For example, listening. For example, you are a freelancer, you are a copywriter, or you are a web developer. Then you should focus especially on listening. For example, a client comes to you and he want to speak, he want to communicate with you, then he will speak in English. Therefore, if your listening power is strong, then you will speak. Then you will speak. Your speaking power must be clear and your fluency will be best. So the first skill is listening. In listening, for listening, to improve your listening power, you should focus on something. For example, if you are new to English, then you should focus on YouTube videos or English news in videos or podcasts you should listen every day for about 15 to 20 minutes. Podcasts on YouTube videos or English news which have some titles in English. Titles in English. When you listen or you watching a video on YouTube, so for example, what a person are saying, what the persons are saying, or a man or a woman is saying, what they are saying, they are written, and these words which are they are performing or they are saying, they shows on the mobile phone screens. So these are called subtitles. You should, therefore, your listening power will be increased and your reading power will also increase in this method. So the next one is speaking. Speaking is very important for everyone. How to improve your speaking power? A lot of people, for example, there are many students which calls me sometimes, which call me and say that sir, we read and write, but we can't speak. So this is a main problem in English that they shy. Sometimes a new learner shy that when they speak a sentence in English they can't speak. So here is a method. You should speak to yourself in English. You should think in English. You should think in English, not in your own language. First, some people think in their own language, then they translate that sentence into English. So it is a wrong method. You should directly think in English, then you should make a new sentence. For example, here are some sentences. I play every day. I play every day. I get up early in the morning. I come to school on time. I pass every test. I return home on time. So this is a simple method. If you want to speak or if you want to learn spoken English, you should learn on front of the mirror. You should not big sentences, not difficult sentences. You can make simple sentences in front of a mirror. So therefore, you can improve your speaking. Your reading. If you want to improve your reading skill, so it is very important to read. For example, you should learn books, textbooks, newspapers, and other things in English. Then pick out about 10 to 15 words, difficult words, which are new to you, and learn their meanings and their spelling. With spelling, the last one is writing. It is the most important skill of English language. Writing. If you want to become a freelancer, for example, copywriter, you want to become a copywriter, you should learn writing. Writing is very important. For copywriting, you don't need this. They need, but we don't need as like this for copywriting. So in copywriting, you can write emails, ads, landing pages, sell pages, VSLs for your clients. So therefore, these 4 skills are very important in English. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and write in your comment, I will learn English. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.